Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amathema amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga so ngizoqala nje ke indaba eziphambili ngomdlalo bedlalele Orlando Pirates okubana okurelebuhile Mfukeng urelebuhile Mfukeng bafethu if nikhumbula kahle I did a video regarding yena umjidi ukuthi ke usehambile eSouth Africa uyojoina iclub le eBelgium so leyo club ke namhlanje ivele nje yakhipha indaba yasho ukuthi ke bayama announce umjida as their new number 38 umjida ke uzogqoka ijezi beligqoka kuOrlando Pirates okubana number 38 le club le idlala le ko Belgium ikhompyutha no Club Brugge ingixolele mengilipronounce kabi leli gama kuthiwa nje iUnion Saint-Gilloise iclub ke baningi abadlala seyebadlala vele kuyona abaqhamuka la eAfrica even the South African player kubana kuPesitaw so for me I think it is a good choice ukuthi ke umjida ahamba uyodlala eBelgium let's hope ke lapha uzofika adlale kahle mase ke eyakhuphuka aye ko Premier League maybe ke aye ko League 1 maybe aye ko Bundesliga or ko La Liga but ke it's a good step for urelebuhile Mfukeng ukuthi ke aye eEurope let's hope other youngsters ukuthi ke bazomfollowisha baye le Europe nabodlala khona let's hope iSundowns izomdedela ukuhlwano liklako kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu amakhosi have secured the signing kabanina kaKhanyiso Mayo remember uKhanyiso Mayo who was on loan from iCR Bezuizdad umjida he played 10 matches for iKaizer Chiefs and he scored ama goals amabili so iKaizer Chiefs ibona kungcono ukuthi ke bamsign umjida as a permanent move bamsign ngemali engango 10 million abanye ke basho ukuthi ke imali engango 11 million ingengazi but ke mina ukubona kwami ngibone kuthiwa ke imali engango 10 million abamsayine ngayo umjida ukuthi ke ahlale abe istriker seKaizer Chiefs on a permanent move abantu abaningi kade ngibabona bekhala kakhulu regarding le move le ukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs ihlelo ukuthi ke ikhipha imali engango 16 million for ubanena umdlalo ekuthiwa uphili kodwa ke bakwazi ukuthi bayikhipha imali for uMayo okora amagoli amabili in 10 matches yabo ngangitshela ama comments how do you feel regarding this move eyenziwe iKaizer Chiefs izinye izindaba eziphumile abafethu kuthiwa ke i-deal between iStelis nani neOrlando Pirates kungenzeka uDlamini angayijoin iStelis reason being ubanena uDlamini doesn't want to leave iOrlando Pirates ayojoina iStelis if ukhumbula kahle I did a video regarding yena uDlamini and Stellenbosch Orlando Pirates bifuna lo mfana lo okuFaze Abrahams uthi ayojoin Orlando Pirates with an option ukuthi ke iStelis si add another player on top okubana uDublin Boom goalkeeper wase New Zealand kodwa ke umdlala bebefuna ukumenza i-part of the deal okubana uDlamini uyenqaba ngempela kafuni ukuhamba kwiOrlando Pirates ayojoina sona iStelis okwamanje ke asawuthi ke le deal le izohamba kanjani but ke I know for sure Orlando Pirates izogcina isecure le deal because they want to sign this youngster sakuyona iOrlando Pirates izoloke kuphuma indaba regarding indaba zika Siyanda Ndlovu ke bafethu is the Golden Arrows player who is currently being chased by Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates but ke kubukeka ngawuthi ke iMamelodi Sundowns as things stands yona ema favorites ukuthi ke bamsign why ngisho Siyanda Ndlovu last week traveled from iKZN wale eGauteng thi umjidi ufikile washaya ama medical with Orlando Pirates everything was okay with Orlando Pirates but ke ekwashayeni kwakhe ama medicals wamitha ama terms bakhuluma ngayisayinanga icontract yabo uyishayile medical bakhuluma but wangayisayini icontract kwathiwa umuntu akalindi ukuzwa kwami kuthiwe kufike igama kwathiwa angayisayini icontract akathi ukulinda kancane kunezindaba ezizayo yabo wahlala kumjida wangayisayini icontract kwathi ke ngomgqibelo kwafika indaba zasho ukuthi ke umjida angalinga isayini icontract ngoba kunenye icontract enemali enkulu kunale yazoyisayinela futhi Orlando Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns ke bafethu iqhamuke neoffer entsha remember iGolden Arrows yayifune imali kuyona iSundowns athi ke iSundowns yahlule ukuyikhipha leyo mali waseke umjida ekhetha ukuya kwiOrlando Pirates naku ke iSundowns sibuya neoffer engcunywana singesazi ke njengamanje but ke it looks like iMamelodi Sundowns iyona ehamba phambili but ke akakasayinwa phansi yabo kusakhulunywa nje kusaxoxa yabo yena umjida ngokuzwa kwami uthanda ukuyodlalela eOrlando Pirates but ke there are people who are influencing in the background ukuthi ke umjida ayojoina iMamelodi Sundowns because there is more money kwiSundowns but ke game time asazi you can tell me in the comments do you think it will be better for him to join iMamelodi Sundowns I don't know but again mina ngokwami each and every player unama decisions uyena owathathayo ukuyithatha le decision asazi kuzombeka but ke let's hope umjida uzothatha i-decision right for i-future yakhe let's just say that yabo when I say future yakhe let's hope uzothatha i-decision right for i-future yakhe ekudlaleni ibhola or uthatha i-decisions right for i-future yakhe ekwenzeni ekwakheni ikhaya la kubo You can tell me in the comments. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu Orlando Pirates isidayise their winger ebidlala ku-30C uSeth Green bamdayisele inina bamdayisele iDurban City. Let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle kwiDurban City kwi-hometown team yami. I was looking forward for this guy to be promoted kwi-first team Orlando Pirates ayibonakalise naye after phela Orlando Pirates isidedele uRele, but it looks like Orlando Pirates, they are offloading these youngsters, they are keep on selling these youngsters. It's a good deal for Orlando Pirates bamdayise because we are making revenue. We are going to sign more youngsters to play for Orlando Pirates DTC team. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile Mamelodi Sundowns are exploring opportunities and possibilities ukuthi babuyise uLucas Ribeiro Costa. Remember uLucas Ribeiro Costa wahamba ngendlela engekho right kuMamelodi Sundowns, umjida waforsa move out kodwa ke icontract yakhe yayingakapheli, but ke it looks like iclub ayidlalela le kwi-second division yase La Liga relegate njengoba nje irelegate umjida currently uyabuya. Looks like uzobuya, singesazi ukuthi uzobuya kuyona iSundowns noma ke uzobuya kumanye ama clubs akhona ku-Betway Premiership, singesazi, but ke it looks like Mamelodi Sundowns might have ubani uLucas Ribeiro next season with uLeon on the same team. Betway teams have to be ready. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje Peter Shalulile umjida ke namhlanje Mamelodi Sundowns iannouncile ukuthi ke umjida uzohamba ashiye yona iclub. Currently umjida uyi-free agent. Let's hope ithi mazoyidlalela next khona lo Betway Premiership noma ke kwamanye amaliga khona la eAfrica uzofike enze kahle umjida, but ke eminyaka vela isekho ngakuyena. I think ithi mazoyijoina nje iyona team azoretire kuyona yabo kule minyaka le asekuyona nje ngamanje, but ke singesazi like uPeter Shalulile, he's a very very good striker. Striker lesodinga ukuthi ke usinikeze iservice sizokwenzela bafethu umsebenzi phambili. Yabo uyisize kakhulu iSundowns last season. If we are being honest, umjida uyisize nje kakhulu iSundowns. But ke asazi, where do you think umjida uzoya kuphi? Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje Cape Town City siconfirmile ukuthi ke uKick and Dole, uJabulo Ncomo, uZanimovic, uSifiso Ngobeni noSiyabonga Siphamandla abajida sebeshiyile kwiCape Town City. Cape Town City ke iya offload right now because babonile ukuthi ke ukubasayina bonke laba badlali bebeyitshela ukuthi ke bazobasiza babuyele kwiBetway Premiership, but ke nazi izinto zingahambanga kahle. Let's hope ke abajida bazokwazi ke bawathole ama team akhona kwiBetway Premiership. Inkhulumile vele ngawo uNgcobo kuthiwa ke iswelele umjida siyama-assess. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu the former Orlando Pirates player uSinoxolo Kwaiba has been announced by iSteelies. He's another player oqhamuka kuyona Orlando Pirates, same as iChippa United. Another player bekubani bekulebitho abajida ke sebejoinile as the new players so far for iSteelies. Let's hope they are going to bring more players kuyona iStellenbosch because they offloaded many players kuleli windi leli. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile AmaZulu have secured signing kaKenan Phillips after umjida eshiyile iGolden Arrows. Umjida ke nje bezojoina nje ideal yakhe ayikakabe clear ukuthi ke uzohlala eminyaka emingaki, but ke umjida is a very good defender, a good signing by yena uAtazwane with the technical team yakhe. Inkulumo between Stellenbosch and uNjabulo Blom zisathu kumancane after umjida eseshaya ama-medicals with yona iSteelies, but ke it looks like ama-personal terms abavumelani ngawo. It looks like i-contract abamnikeza yona ayikho yinhle neze. It looks like umjida ngenzeka angasayini for iSteelies. Let's hope ke izinto ke ziyahambela kahle umjida because currently akanayo iclub. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke iDurban City have secured i-signing kabani na kaTashik Morris benobandile Shandu with immediate effects.